Welcome to another NUCIDA video. If you like it, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and click the bell. Never forget our upcoming sessions. If you have any questions or hints, please leave a comment. Our certified QA experts will reply in time. It's never been easier to manage tests at scale than with Xray Test Management. Xray is a Jira native software test management app that ensures your testing and development teams are collaborating to achieve the highest quality products. With Xray, you'll never deliver broken or untested code again. Xray is a comprehensive test management solution that uses Jira native issue types to specify, organize, plan, and execute tests. With Xray, you can create your tests and add preconditions, organize them using the test sets or the test repository, plan your test strategy, and finally execute tests and report the status. Agile teams need tools to support collaboration and transparency. In an agile workflow, testing is an integrated part of the team. As a result, testers are able to identify bugs sooner and reduce the cost of finding them at a later stage. Xray transforms your Jira Agile boards into a collaborative platform where you can see the progress of your testing and the status of your requirements. Creating tests in Xray is easy. Tests can either be manual or automated. A manual test is composed of test steps that describe actions and expected results. Since Xray is deeply integrated with Jira, it's easy to associate your test with other Jira issues like linking to your requirements. In this competitive market, delivering new features undeniably gives your company an advantage. Automating your testing saves you time and improves your team's productivity. Manage all of your automated tests with an Xray and integrate with frameworks like Robot Cucumber JUnit and Selenium. Xray's native CI/CD integrations with tools like Jenkins, Bamboo, and GitLab empower your teams to detect problems sooner and release new features with confidence. Xray also supports BDD using Cucumber scenarios, which you can specify directly in Jira. Use BDD to clearly understand and communicate the benefits of your features and bring even more value to your testing. Organizing your tests is another important part of test management, as your project may have hundreds or thousands of tests. If your team is migrating from a legacy tool or is used to a folder like Structure, then the test repository is for you. Use the test repository to organize your tests using a hierarchy of folders and subfolders that are visually intuitive and easy to use. Once you've defined your strategy and testing scope, create a test plan with all the relevant tests for your release. You'll be able to immediately track the status of those executions, giving you complete visibility into your readiness to deploy. Now that you've organized your tests, you want to ensure you're tracking your progress, analyzing risk level, and making smart decisions about the quality of your product. Create a dashboard with dynamic gadgets that provide insights into the QA process and the status of your projects. Visibility and well-defined KPIs will take your dashboards to another level. You can make a full traceability report to get the details of your testing progress and readiness to deploy. Crucial decisions should always be supported with great data, and with Xray's live reporting and gadgets, you can conquer them. Test management shouldn't be a burden to your team. That's why over 4.5 million testers worldwide trust Xray to deliver the highest quality products faster than ever before. Break the silo between testing and development and integrate them under the same tool set with Xray for Jira. If you like it, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and click the bell. Never forget our upcoming sessions. If you have any questions or hints, please leave a comment. Our ISTQB, ITK, Xray, and TestRail certified QA experts will reply in time or even produce a separate video about your topic. Please also check out our other over 200 videos about software quality. Happy testing. See you next time.